All right, I want to show you how to do one more really interesting thing here in PSPP. It works the exact same in SPSS. I'm actually going to share this sample data in our course page with you so you can log on and play with it and make sure you understand what all we're doing here. So on our last video, I gave the example of, let's imagine that the score isn't a test score. Let's say it's like a stress score. All right, how stressed are our students? Let me have you practice with the recoding to make sure you know what you're doing, and then I'll show you a really fun feature that this software has. So we've already recoded our scores into ranges of 10, right? We've said 0 to 9 is 0, 1 or 10 to 19 is 1, etc., etc. But we're going to work on recoding this again. So let's say transform, recode into a different variable. We're going to take this group score because, again, let's imagine that what we're actually working with here is stress scores, okay? Let's say stress scores. And we're going to tell it the old and new values. So let's say that on this stress test, anything from 0 to 19 is considered low stress or no stress, okay? So your range of 0 through 1, so any of those ones between 0 and 9 and 10 to 19. And we're going to have this value be a 0, low stress. And we'll rename these in a little bit. And then let's say that the 2s and through the 4s are considered like normal everyday stress. Okay, so that's going to be our normal. So we're going to make that a 1. Let's say that 5 through 7 is moderate stress. We'll make that a 2. 8 through 9 is high stress, is going to be a 3. And a 10, so just a straight value, there's no range there. A 10 is going to be extreme stress, so we're going to say a 4. So we'll continue. Change. Okay. And now we're going to tell it the names. Remember these value labels that we've done. So we decided a 0 was no stress. A 1 was low or normal stress. A 2 was, what did we do for 2? Was moderate stress. A 3, I think I'm doing this right, I can't remember, was high stress, and a 4 was extreme. Or did we have one more? Extreme stress. Did we have one more? Data view. Okay, we did. So I've messed that up somewhere. Oh, stress scores. 1 through, or 0 through, okay, no, it looks like we're at 0 through 5. Okay, so I did this right. So let's come over here and let's look at, first of all, let's see where we are here. Let's look at our frequencies for the stress scores. Charts. Let's say we want a pie chart. All right, so we can see here, okay, 10 had no stress, 19 had low stress, 37 had moderate, and 17 had high. So most of them had moderate stress, which you would expect from students. Now here's the fun thing. Go over here to, where was it? Analyze Descriptive Statistics crosstabs. I love this feature. And let's say we want to look at stress scores as a function of major. We don't want any statistics right now, okay? So tell it none. We're not doing any statistics. We're not analyzing anything. We just want to see how this is broken up. And click OK. And we get an output that tells us how many people in each major scored in each one. So 2 math majors were no stress. 8 English majors were moderate stress. 4 business majors were high stress. And so this can be just a really fun way to get an introduction to how your data is spread out.